sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
Hey everybody, so there's the final product, or almost final product. I'm going to take it off the bed here and clean it up, but that's it. That's what's it, Giant Sour Patch Kids. I printed it in silk PLA. Just give me a second, I'm going to get a little area set up and I will fix it up and it'll look like a Sour Patch Kid and not a lump of plastic. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Oh, look at that smile. There it is. Oh yeah. That silk PLA makes this thing look super tasty. I knew that the silk PLA would be a good bet for this. It's got some really cool qualities. And you know what? This thing's got a pretty flat back. I could have printed it on its back. Then I wouldn't have got the rainbow effect that I have here. With the green to the yellow, a little bit of red and orange at the top. Some of this is a little harder to get off. For the most part, it's all coming off pretty easily.
Hi guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe.